Hey guys, welcome back. This is how to import Manychat flow. So first thing that you will do is simply go to automation on the left side over here. And after that, just simply go to your flow. And now just simply click on the three dots over here and just simply go ahead and click on a share. And now from here, click on this enable sharing. And now make sure to check this box, allow viewers to clone this automation. Just simply copy it to clipboard. And after that, once your client or someone click your link, so I'm going to open another tab and they will be able to see something like this. And on their side, you should be able to see here, save to Manychat. So click on that on the bottom right. And from here, just simply choose a page to save flow and click on a save flow over here. And once it is done, just simply click on view flow. And after that, they can edit it over here. And once you have edit it, just simply click on update over here on the top right. And now guys, when they go to the automation over here, they should be able to see here imported. So just simply click on this. You should be able to see here your imported flow. And there you go. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See ya.